Hello friends, hope you're fine. Today again I am with you and I am going to discuss today Junior English Book 1 page number 26, and today we're getting the topic that is colors. Here it is written, see, look at the list of colors below, learn how to spell each word, then answer the questions. Here black, blue, brown, green, gray, red, white, yellow. So after reading this, we're getting an exercise that is, what are the colors of these things? Here, a buttercup. I think you know its color, that is yellow. 2 number, grass. You know, I think its color is green, so beautiful green. Tar, its color is black. Blood, you know all, that is red. Chocolate, chocolate we find different types of color, but specially we get it as a brown color. Okay. 6 number, a post box, we get it usually as a red color. A ripe banana, you know all, this is of course yellow. Next one, a snowdrop, this is 100% white. 9 number, a ripe tomato, that is red, and a polar bear, of course white. Next exercise, that is, write these sentences putting in the missing words. So let's start. Here, first one, in spring the leaves on the trees are what? We know that is green, yellow or red. In spring the leaves on the trees are green. When the traffic light is dash, the traffic must stop. When that is red, so we have to put here red. 3 number, when the traffic light is dash, the traffic can go. We know that is green. 4 number, butter is dash in color. Butter is yellow in color. 5 number, the roofs of the houses were dash with snow. This is white with snow. 6 number, on a cloudless day the sky is what? We know that is so interesting color. We want to see that color all time, and that color is blue. 7 number, a lump of coal is dash in color. We know all, that is black. 8 number, when bread is toasted it turns what? It turns brown. Next one, see, the robin has a dash breast. The robin has a red breast. 10 number, when people get old their hair turns what? Turns gray or white. Next one, C number exercise. Here the question is, use your dictionary to help you find out the colors of these jewels and to make rings, bracelets and necklace. Here try to understand the question first. Use your dictionary to help you find out the colors of these jewels. I am helping you, but before to take my help, you try at your home by yourself using your dictionary. So I am writing here, but don't see before. Emerald, its color is green. Sapphire, its color is, do you know, that is blue. Ruby, its color is red. And pearl, its color is white. Today I have done another page, that is 26 number page from Junior English Book 1, and today we have done the topic that is colors. Next day we will do page number 27, and there we will find the topic that is plurals. Bye for today.